our other developers were writing some Docker files, so they are facing some issues on App Server 3. So connect to App Server 3 and jump into this folder. If you open this Docker file, you can see this file. So here there are some issues, so we need to fix this. So instead of this image, it should be from actually, and then we are running this set command. So when you want to run some commands, so we need to use a run. So basically we use add to, if you want to download something while building an image from the internet, if you want to download something, then you can use add. So this is just a command, so use run here as well, and then copy looks fun, we're just copying it, then save and exit. Try to build an image from it just to make sure everything looks good. Probably I'm gonna give, and then build it. It's been successful now. If you run the command docker images, now you can see our test image. Now check the task results. That's been successful. Thank you so much for watching.